Hi and welcome to Virtual Monkey Gaming. I'm Chris, your host, and there's booze. So, I'm gonna go down this pipe, and you guys are probably screaming at me by now, saying like, "Oh, you're doing it wrong. You're so wrong in so many ways." I already knew that part. I think I need to get up there. Oh, I need to lower the water level. But how do I do that? I don't know. Darn, I thought that was actually gonna work. I know, like I said, not to hit that guy. Because he's an asshole. He's one of them there assholes. So I think I was doing it right. Yeah, damn. Alright. Oh. Have to get some gobi sushi. Boinky boinky. Boinky boinky. You know what I mean? I don't know what I mean. Please tell me what I mean. I don't know. Ow! You don't do that, you dickfish. Dickfish. I'm sure there's a fish out there that looks very phallic and it's called lovingly the dickfish. Now my question about that is, has anyone used it? Like, ew. Well, I mean, there was that one case of that lady who apparently, how can I keep this like PG? She, had relations with a lobster by sticking its head in her happiness and then lighting its tail on fire. Or no, she put the tail in and lit the head on fire. I'm sorry, I'm not getting my facts right. Can I jump up here? No. She stuck the tail in her hoo-hoo and she lit the head on fire. And I'm not okay with that. And well, okay, so basically what happened was she died because she had a bunch of babies hatch inside of her, which I think the lobster did like in fear because its head was being caught on fire. And long story short, be sure to eat your ramen noodles before you eat all the expensive food. But don't you sing me a lullaby. I'm not even the least bit sleepy. Oh, but now I have tape over my mouth. I guess that's a sign from God saying that I should shut the hell up about lobster cooters. Lobster cooters. I'll go. Wait just a cotton pick a minute. I think I go up here and then over here. And then, huh? Yeah! Look, I'm a big smarty. Hit this. Shaboing. And I don't like these booze. But I do like it. Wait a second. Don't you tell me. Yeah, I know how to go down a pipe, alright? I'm fucking Mario. No, I'm not having sex with Mario. I'm not fucking Mario. Anyway. Please tell me it's still drained. Yeah! Now he's all flopping around and dying horribly. I don't even have to do anything. He just dies on his own. You ever think Mario just gets like really depressed and like tired of all these shenanigans? He's like, here we go. Again. Get away. Get away, boo-boos. Something's telling me I should save? Okay. Mario Cremden. I saw at the at the flea market I saw this backpack and I wish I had a picture of it because it's it's a genius. It really is, and it has like a really badly stitched out image of Mario on it, and next to it it says Luigi, and then on the other side it says Obama 2012. And it's all just janky colors, like all leftover stuff they had. I really wanted to buy it actually, because it's like so terrible that it's beautiful. Just like murder. No, murder's just terrible. Yep. What am I doing? I'm just dawdling. Alright. HP rain, I don't need it because I'm insane. Alright. Alright, ghosties, chill the frick out. Oh yeah. This is happening. Let me check my provisions here. I have 3 honey syrups, pure water. Oh, I wonder if pure water works on him. I don't even know what bologna is, or bologna. Bologna. I have pick-me-ups. I'm going for it. Wait, yeah. Oh, this must be blown. Is that a fire hose or his tongue? Either way, you can suck on it.
It's a snack attack, and you're it.
That's my balloon voice. I'm gonna fire Orby so hard it's gonna leak out your anus. Yeah, anal leakage. And Thunderbolt gonna do the bolt. Gonna do the bolt of thunder. Let me see how much his attack does. I don't know why I was being 4. No. Oh.
Room service has been kind to me. Where's my bib?
You don't have a bib, you dick. You dick. I'm gonna shoot you right in the puss. Not right in your eye vagina. Alright, good. Thunderbolt. Yeah. Sleep sauce. That's what Bill Cosby calls a cocktail. Sleep sauce. Too soon? Too bad. Don't you date rape my friend. Oh. Shit. At least he doesn't do a whole lot of damage. I think he does some bullshit sandstorm something. Probably shouldn't have done that. Can't stand it. I'm sorry, did you just eat my friend? In a non-sexual manner? That is not acceptable. Oh yeah, so I changed the format of my my video capture thing. So I do full screen now because I really didn't like the borders. People are like, you can do the borders. When I say people, I mean myself, like arguing with myself. Yeah, you better spit out my marshmallow. That was scary. You know what else is scary? Taco Bell breakfast. For everyone that wants diarrhea before noon, go to Taco Bell for breakfast. A scarecrow, not scro funk. Sneezing your scro funk on me, boy. Boop. I'm a scro. I can still scrotum my, I don't know. I had something for that, but I forgot. Alright, golly gee whiz, please die. Sleep sauce and scronus. Oh, I guess it didn't affect me. I can't do anything. I'll just defend. I'm scared. I'm a scared scroll. Okay. honey syrup. Boing.
Can't stand it, the hunger. The hunger.
Sorry, that was probably... Rest in peace, those who use earphones. Rest in peace. What should I do? Fuck off with your stuff, man. At least I'm not a scrow anymore. Come on, Mario, you can shoot more fire than that. That was scary. Yeah, say something original, Mallow. You're always scared of everything. Shit. Pure water. Let's see if this does anything. Nope. Shit, I can't even heal. Dang, so, alright. I'll just have to block everything and hope to God I have enough pow in my hammer to deal with this dingus. And I guess if one dies, hopefully just one will die. Because then I can do a... Who'sya-Macaulay. No. Boing, boing. Please die. That was scary. If you defeat me, you still won't beat me. Beware the flood. Oh neat, I didn't die. Boing. Sweet. Well, let's find out what happens next time on Virtual Monkey Gaming. Bye, see you tomorrow.